Alright guys, welcome to my unboxing video of the Solana Mobile, the Seeker, or better still you can call it the Solana the Saga 2. And I can tell you that this phone is free. Yeah, and in the course of this video I will tell you why the phone is free. I would say I got a free phone, and believe me, the phone is awesome. I'm going to show you the specification of the phone on the screen after the unboxing of the video. So looking at the video right now, this is the Seeker. Just took it off the cover now. Here's the phone. Look at the phone. Yeah, so at this point you see the Seeker is imprinted on it. I will be removing the phone right away. So yeah, I told you I said the phone is free. Why? I ordered it for $500. That was February 2024. So looking at the phone right now, yeah, I'm opening it right away. Look at how sleek it is. Fantastic phone. Look at the camera lens. Yeah, and also has a fingerprint. All right, so I said I ordered this phone for $500 with Solana USDC. That was last year, February 2024, and it arrived last week. That's 1 year 9 months. All right, so look at this. I'm putting it on right now, the Solana Mobile. I've just seen it right now, so you can confirm it's an Android phone. Look at the Seeker. All right, so this is to confirm that this is the phone right now. So I'm supposed to do I'm supposed to set it up right now. Okay, so look at the setup. All right, so now I need to connect to the Wi-Fi, but I'm not home, so I can connect to the Wi-Fi. So I said it's free. I ordered it for $500, and I paid with Solana USDC. And after the payment, this is the charger, the cord, yeah, for me to charge the phone. So immediately I ordered, my wallet was whitelisted. Now this is the case. I ordered it separately for $25. Look at it right away. It's just to protect the phone with screen guards. Right, can you see it? It's customized. Look at the Seeker right there. So here's the unboxing of the Solana Mobile, the Seeker. All right, so let me just quickly wrap it up. I ordered with my Solana address. I paid $500, and after 1 year 9 months, I got my phone. But within 3 months, I got over $700 from airdrop. So that means the wallet that I used in paying the $500 was whitelisted, and I got drops from tokens that were launching, and I made my money back. And this is how we make money in crypto. Sometimes you spend some money and you make more than what you spent. You make it back within a tickle of an eye. That is how it works in the space. Another benefit that came with this phone is the inbuilt wallets that actually came with it. And when you set it up, you will see your collectible that actually came with it, which is the Seeker collectible. It's an NFT that you can actually sell for a couple of dollars. And also there's another NFTs to be minted, which is called the Mobile NFT. And believe me, all of these NFTs are not NFTs you sell for a few dollars. I don't want to mention figures, but it's actually an expensive, NFTs. Another advantage to it is the fact that it came with a DApp app. This DApp app, DApp Store rather. The DApp Store gives you access to Solana project, early project. And one good thing that came about this one is the fact that when you see some of these rewards, the reward comes with, number one, the wallet you use in buying, which was whitelisted. Then the inbuilt wallet that came with it that has the Seeker collectible also is whitelisted. There are projects that rewards you because you have the Seeker NFTs. This is how cryptocurrency work. Imagine buying a phone of $500, and at the long run you're making $5,000, $10,000 from it. This is the Saga 2, the Solana Mobile Saga 2. The Saga 1 was bought for $1,000, over $1,000, and folks made over $10,000 from it. This is how cryptocurrency work, and I don't want this video to be long. If you want to learn about cryptocurrency, slide into my DM and let's talk about it. See you in my next video, and take charge.